Solve this quartic equation. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving the specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. This is a quartic equation. No patterns for its coefficients have been noticed, except for a larger constant. Usually, a quartic equation can be solved by factorisation or by the rational root theorem or by the general methods or fourth-degree equations. The general methods for fourth-degree equations is complicated. Applying the rational root theorem isn't easy, especially with a larger constant. We solve the equation by factorisation and by completing the square. These result in two quadratic equations. Solve the quadratic equations. Now we solve the problem by factorisation. Let x to the power of 4 plus 10x cubed plus 29x squared plus 20x minus 957 be equivalent to x squared plus ax plus b times x squared plus cx plus d. The right-hand side of this identity equals x to the power of 4 plus a plus c times x cubed plus ac plus b plus d times x squared plus ad plus bc times x plus bd. Now we compare the coefficients on the left-hand side with that on the right-hand side. A plus c equals 10. AC plus b plus d equals 29. AD plus BC equals 20. BD equals minus 957. Solving the system of equations isn't easy. Looking for integer solutions is a good starting point, which often works. 957 as factors 1, 3, 11, 29, 33, 87, 319, 957. From equation 4, the possible solutions for B are 1 minus 957 minus 1, 957, 3 minus 319, minus 3, 319, 11, minus 87, minus 11, 87, 29, minus 33, minus 29, 33. From equation 1, A equals 10 minus C. Substitute equation 5 in equation 3. We have 10 minus C times D plus BC equals 20. So C equals 20 minus 10D over B minus D. Substitute the above pairs of B, D in equation 6. We find that C is an integer only if B, D equals minus 29, 33. So B equals minus 29, D equals 33, C equals 20 minus 10D over B minus D, which simplifies to 5. A equals 10 minus C equals 5. So x to the power of 4 plus 10x cubed plus 29x squared plus 20x minus 957 is equivalent to x squared plus 5x minus 29 times x squared plus 5x plus 33. To solve the original equation, either x squared plus 5x minus 29 equals 0, or x squared plus 5x plus 33 equals 0. From equation 7, we have x equals minus 5 plus minus root of 25 plus 4 times 29 over 2, which simplifies to minus 5 plus minus root of 141 over 2. From equation 8, we have x equals minus 5 plus minus root of 25 minus 4 times 33 over 2, which simplifies to minus 5 plus minus root of 107I over 2. Now we have an alternative method completing the square. The original equation can be written as x squared plus 5x all squared minus 25x squared plus 29x squared plus 20x minus 957 equals 0. The original equation is the term 10x cubed. So we write x squared plus 5x all squared, which contains 25x squared. So we now also write minus 25x squared. Now we simplify the equation by collecting like terms. We write minus 25x squared plus 29x squared as 4x squared. We can write 4x squared plus 20x as 4 times x squared plus 5x. We add 4 so that the first 3 terms forms a perfect square. Now we have to also minus 4. We have x squared plus 5x plus 2 all squared equals 961. By simplifying the equation, 961 is equal to 31 squared. So x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals plus minus 31. So either x squared plus 5x minus 29 equals 0, or x squared plus 5x plus 33 equals 0. From equation 9, we have x equals minus 5 plus minus root of 25 plus 4 times 29 over 2, which simplifies to minus 5 plus minus root of 141 over 2. From equation 10, we have x equals minus 5 plus minus root of 25 minus 4 times 33 over 2 equals minus 5 plus minus root of 107I over 2. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems, such as this one. Solve the equation. Y to the power of 4 plus 6y cubed plus 11y squared plus 6y minus 840 equals 0. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.